Hi everyone, welcome back to Fox Fixes, Arranging with Alex. Today we're tackling a common RV headache, replacing the LED lights on our awning. A nasty gust of wind actually tore the old strip right at the plug, and unfortunately it was beyond repair. So it's out with the old and in with the new. I picked up a new LED strip from Amazon for this project. And as always, I've linked all the materials and tools I used in the description below. Before we touch any wiring, even though it's just a 12-volt system, always make sure to pull the corresponding fuse first. It's a quick safety precaution to protect yourself and the rest of your electronics. Now let's get to the wiring. To reach the old LED receiver, we need to roll the awning out and flip the cover aside. From there, you can either disconnect the old remote receiver or just cut the wires. My new lights came with a different style of connector, so I'm going to cut and strip the wires to get them ready. To hook up the new strip, I'm using 2 shrink sleeves, 2 crimp sleeves, and a pair of pliers to secure the connection. Just make sure you're matching the wire collars correctly. Before we tuck everything away, let's verify that it actually works. Plug in the new receiver and the LED strip to give it a quick test. Perfect, we have light. Now it's time to mount the strip along the awning trim. Luckily, my rig already has a pre-installed cable duct. This is great because I don't have to mess around with adhesive tape. I can just slide the strip right into the track. It's a much cleaner look. It keeps the LEDs protected and it makes them way easier to replace if I ever have to do this again. Once the strip is pulled all the way through, I'll cut it to the correct length. Just look for the designated cut-off points every few inches. Make sure you only cut on those lines. And there we go. Time to enjoy the new setup. I mostly use the app to control these because it gives you way more options than the standard remote. You can dial in any color you want and they're fully dimmable for when you want a more relaxed vibe. And of course, if you're feeling a bit more energetic, you can switch on the music mode. It syncs the lights to your playlist and really brings that party atmosphere to the campsite.